Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can easily find CapCut templates. So open up CapCut and select template, and here you're going to find a lot of templates that you can use. For instance, this one. So to use it, you're just going to select use template, select the same photo or videos for clips marked with same color. So the picture will be the same. You can choose either videos or photos. I'm just going to choose photos for mine and choose preview. And this is what it'll look like at the end. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!